morning, everyone.
Good morning. Thank you, ma'am.
We have a job vacancy today. We need a marketing specialist. Please post the job today.
Okay, I put the notice in the board and email our staff. We should tell the people outside.
Yes, post it on our website and social media. And maybe add it on job sites too, and let's go inside and outside hiring at the same time.
Good idea. Our employees can apply. That will make them happy. We also use the outside source like word of mouth, job sites, and the campus job fairs. Next week.
Yes, exactly. We will join the university career on Friday and also call the government for some help.
I'm emailing the interns of campus set now. We'll spread the news everywhere. And I'll also tell our employees they can refer their friends.
So, this is our ways. Word of mouth, company websites, social media, campus hiring, and job fairs. Shall we also plan a campus talk?
Yes, post the flyers at the universities and technical school. The more people know, the better.
Campus recruitment on Thursday. Dian Ramirez will help us at the city job fair. Nika will manage our
Good. Make sure we have all the applications ready. And let's collect the resumes of all the guys.
Hi, good afternoon. Sino ka nga? Basit interested ka ba na hire me on one new marketing specialist?
Yes, ang dali ko kung paano kapilitan ko kung paano ipilitan.
What ang pwede din mamit sa Carlos, si John Fairs, really friendly. Pwede sa gawang like sa
Thank you mga sige, ito ko
Okay, salamat ka.
Good day, ma'am. Good day. Nandito na ito ng mga trabaho na nag-hire ka ng mga marketing specialist. Kasi gusto ka niya trabaho, ma'am. Sure, nandito sa ko trabaho 2 years sa naka-experience ko sa sales. Good, ma'am. Ang buhaton is, fill up ni mo form. Pag naman mo fill up, i-attach mo yung resume, tapos hindi ipasa, ma'am. And nakakuha ko din mga information about sa mga company, ma'am. Good luck, ma'am. Okay, thank you. Welcome, ma'am.
Lamangita ko, dili trabaho ko yun. Kadang bagis ako, aba.
Hala, interesting kaayo. Mag-apply ko, ani may kay na akong 3 years experience, ani.
Basta lang, sir.
Good afternoon. So, what's up?
Kami ito, nag-apply, sir, na ang resume, sir.
Wait na lang po sa announcement sa company. If tawagan lang nila if kung matanggap mo.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Hello po, ma'am. May nagpasa na sa akin ng ano, ma'am. Resume, tatlong tao, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Check na lang natin later, ma'am. Okay. So, narito kung hindi yung maghapon, ma'am, na napasa niyo si Alex, si Casey, and si Maya.
Okay, let's see. Okay. Casey is worked here for 4 years. Okay, good. How about Maya? Maya is no experience, freshly graduate. Alex is working in sales but no marketing record. Okay, please start the interview tomorrow and send the emails now.
Okay, ma'am. I'm sending the invites now.
Thank you.
Maya, graduated. Services. Alex, no performance. Casey. Okay, good performance. Hello, Alex.
Hello?
Sorry to inform you, but dili ka tanggap sa interview.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
See you next time.
So, the first guys, so, I was in one paper. So, now tayo 30 minutes ang sarap. Kung just remember lang na kung sino yung ayos from mo yung mga mabilis sa So, okay, time's up. So, pwede mo mumukusin sa next interview.
Good morning, ma'am.
Hi, Casey. Please.
Why do you want this job? Kaya you have been 4 years experience and So, how will you handle being boss of your teammates? Pag sinagdalan niya natin, tapos ihatag ng mga mo at best ang job.
So, Casey knows our company well. That's good. Good job.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Maya, tell us about yourself.
Yes, ma'am. I graduated the degree of marketing degree and also in management.
So you have no full-time experience. So how will you show your skills?
I brought my project samples if you can see.
Very good. We'll check your tests and references too.
Thank you, Maya.
Thank you, ma'am.
Both are good. Kissy has experience and Maya has ideas.
Hi, Doc. Hi, everyone. Sugod ka sa atong kuan ng medical exam. Okay, first let's check your height. Next. Okay, next let's check your waist. Okay. Next. Na kay allergy?
Wala po, ma'am.
Nainom?
Yes.
Sa panigarilyo?
Yes, actually, sa kadlaw is do kaka ako magamit.
Mari sakit sa kidney?
Wala.
Sa lungs?
Yes na.
Okay, next. Wala kay allergy?
Wala daw.
Sa panigarilyo?
Dili daw.
Nainom? Okay, sakit sa kidney?
Wala.
Sa heart?
Wala.
Okay, good job. Wala kay health problem issue. Good day, sir.
Good day, Doc.
Para ang medical exam result. So, si PC is in a good health condition. And Maya is dagan siya sakit siyang lawas.
Okay. So, we have the all information now. So, nakapili na ako kung sino yung ilalagay ko sa position na nakarapat. Thank you, Doc.
Thank you, sir.
So, hello Maya.
Hello, sir.
Sorry to inform you, but you are not qualified in our company because your health is unconditional.
Sige, thank you, sir. Thank you.
So, hello PC.
Hello, sir.
I have a good news for you. You're hired. Pwede ka na pumasok next week.
Really, sir? Thank you, gid kaayo, sir.
Okay. Congratulations. Good morning, Casey. Congratulations. This is your ID and this is your desk, your new desk. So, congratulations to Casey. Yes.
And so, through posting, testing, interviews, and careful selection, the company found the right person for the job.